Want dried lemon slices that look this good? I'll show you exactly how to slice and dry lemons right at home. It's easier than you might think. With just a few simple steps, you'll have beautiful dried lemons to use in pretty and practical ways. Welcome to Simple Living with Life and Reflection, where we embrace the beauty of simplicity. Whether you're making a cozy candle, a simmer pot, or adding a decorative touch to gifts and garlands, these crisp citrus slices are such a joy to have on hand. So grab some lemons and get started. Before you begin, give each lemon a good shine. Gently wash and pat dry lemons with a clean towel. Then use a handheld mandoline slicer to slice lemon rounds. I'll link the one I use in the comments below. You can choose from 3 different settings. I tried all of the settings, and in my opinion, using the second setting at 2.5 millimeter thickness is the best when you're drying lemons. Slice as many lemons as you like, then place each lemon slice in a single layer, spaced apart, on a dehydrator tray. Do not overlap, and fill as many trays as needed. I've been using this Nesco Express food dehydrator for more than 5 years. It comes with 4 trays, but you can stack up to 12 trays at one time in the dehydrator for all your drying needs. Once you've filled your trays and stacked them on top of each other, place the cover over the dehydrator, plug it in, and set the dehydrator to 135 degrees. Dehydrate at this setting for 1 hour. Then lower the temperature to 125 degrees for approximately 3 more hours. And during that time, I didn't have to do a thing besides take a peek at them once an hour. How do you know when they're done drying? As a general rule of thumb, lemon slices should be dry, almost brittle, and not sticky. After the lemons are fully dry, store them in an airtight container until use. Now you can celebrate their fresh, zesty flavor and distinctive yellow color and a multitude of uses. Need some ideas? Display them in a potpourri bowl. Place them in a shower steamer. Create a dry lemon garland to hang in your kitchen. Amplify a face steam recipe to open pores. Attach to a lavender or fresh rosemary wreath. Create a floating candle display. Or embed in handmade soap bars. I've got over a dozen ideas to use dehydrated lemon slices I'll share with you in the description below. If this inspired you to dry your own lemons, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple living DIY. And don't forget to check the description below for the exact tools that I use and all the charming, beautiful, and practical ways you can use your dried lemons. Thanks so much for creating with me today.